Hi guys, welcome to this model aircraft unboxing video. Today I'm gonna show you a new that's not the model is new. The aircraft is not even flying in its livery anymore. Still, I wanted to get it. I don't know why. It's just sentiment. So in front of us we've got Emirates, SkyCargo, Boeing 747-400 freight. Those were uh those were leased from a different airline because the registration is not A6, it's something else. I don't remember the history of those aircrafts, but let me do a quick I don't know, tour around the box. I'm gonna show you the box quickly. Oh, this is the front page. We've got Emirates, right? Branded product here. We got the Normally we've got information about the aircraft, but not in this case. Here the aircraft itself, here on the side, name again, and on the back we've got like a short specification of the aircraft, and the registration on it doesn't say that on here. Okay, I'm gonna check. Wait a sec. Official license product. Let me see. That's just the same on each side. Okay. See you in a bit after I get it out of the box. So, the aircraft is out of the box. Here we got the box. Let me put it on the side, background a bit like this. Let's move on towards the aircraft itself. So, what's that? Okay, never mind. Sorry about that finger. This is the aircraft. So we've got there. Yep. But here. No, is it me? Maybe I did it. Never mind. Then let's see the registration on this aircraft. It's OOTHC. That might be Denmark or somewhere. This is the that's the bottom of the aircraft. And this aircraft had the forward cargo hold open, able to open. Maybe that's how it should call it. Yeah, that's the aircraft. I don't know what to tell you more about it. Looks very nice. Very nice. Emirates SkyCargo right there. Double decker. And it also had the normal cargo holds right there, and on the other side, plus the smallest one right there, right on the back of the aircraft. Those were we got one door over there, the other pair right there. Yeah, what else? Thank you for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye, guys.